the solution to this exercise. So we need to fill it in. So let's quickly see how this works. I'm going to highlight that section, find and select, go to special blanks. And you'll see what it's done is it's shown us that these are blanks, but there's not much we can do about it because it's highlighted whole areas, and that's because these cells are merged. So before I can actually do anything with it, I need to go right click, format cells, and under the alignment just get rid of the merged cells. So when I say OK, I can now see the individual cells. So let's do it again. Find and select, go to special blanks, and now you can see it's highlighted those individually. I can now say equals the one above, hold my control button down, push enter. Seems to have done what we wanted. And just to make sure it works properly, copy and paste special as values. And we can now use this data in a pivot table or data filter, etc.